News highlights of the day. Global Hospitality Conclave celebrates 10th edition and 90 years of the Oberoi Group's legacy. Austrian Airlines unveils Winter 2025-26 schedule with more Italy flights, extra Bangkok service, and autumn holiday boost. Sarovar Hotels launches Book Now, Pay on Arrival campaign to boost summer travel confidence. Sabre Hospitality expands Japan presence through new partnership with Minacia Co., Ltd. Railways bars travel agents from emergency quota requests amid misuse concerns. Now news in detail.
The 10th edition of the Global Hospitality Conclave, GHC, was recently held at the Oberoi, New Delhi, marking a decade of thought leadership and celebrating 90 years of the Oberoi Group's excellence in hospitality.
Austrian Airlines has released its Winter 2025-26 flight schedule, highlighting expanded services during the autumn holiday period, enhanced Italian connections, and increased long-haul frequencies to popular global destinations.
Sarovar Hotels has rolled out a new nationwide campaign titled Book Now, Payment Jab Aap Aao to encourage advance hotel bookings without requiring upfront payments.
Sabre Hospitality has announced a strategic partnership with Minacia Co., Ltd., a growing Japanese hospitality group, to enhance the global visibility and bookability of its properties.
The Ministry of Railways has issued a directive barring travel agents from requesting seat or berth reservations under the Emergency Quota (EQ) system following reports of misuse.
You are watching Travel World Online.